Previously on SolarBalls. After a series of crazy events, the Sun has decided that moons shall orbit in the inner regions, while planets shall orbit in the outer regions of the solar system.
This is how things are now. What kind of insane idea is this? A solar system divided by moons and planets?
Well, the sun is upset at all of us. It will surely pass.
Yeah, but by the time that happens, some moons will have crashed with each other, or pushed each other away from the sun, or into the sun, or into us.
Listen, for now we have to maintain the status quo. Let's avoid getting into trouble or we'll be the next ones getting kicked out.
Okay. Yeah, you're right. Let's simply stay in our orbits and...
Hey, Earth! Oh boy.
Mercury? What are you...
Not so loud. Now pretend to orbit at my speed.
How are you even here? The sun forbid all planets except me from entering the inner solar system.
I know the sun better than anyone, Earth. Small celestial bodies like me will go under his radar, especially now that there are hundreds of them going around him.
Yeah, but still, it's risky.
Well, we do need to do something, Earth. Oh, how can I help? First, tell me how the moons took over. It was Titania, Uranus's biggest moon? Yup. And the worst part is she's, got a point? She's not like Ganymede or Europa when they did the moon revolution and lost the plot. The solar system was empty. The moons were abandoned.
Un poquito complicado.
Earth, Luna, I think I know how to solve this.
You do? Huh. I'd never expect you of all planets.
I know the sun. I know what makes him tick.
Sort of like a sun clock? Eh? Okay, just tell us the plan. Titania?
Hey guys, long time no see. What's new with...
We need to talk to the planets. Find a way to fix this.
I know it's too tight. Just give me some time until I figure out how to expand our territory and... I'm sorry, girl, but that's not gonna cut it. What?
We want to be moons again. We want to orbit Uranus.
Seriously? Are you being serious right now?
We appreciate everything you've done for us, but I don't think this being a planet thing is working.
We are planets, though. Just because we happen to be born in the outer solar system where a bunch of giant planets forced us into their orbit doesn't mean we owe them anything.
You're missing the point. Titania, if we stay here, it won't be long until some of the moons start crashing with each other.
Just the other day, I almost crashed with Io. I need time. If the planets hadn't returned, we could have relocated into the...
outer solar system. Do you think that would have solved anything?
If it isn't the three of you, the paragons of morality.
We made mistakes in the past, Titania. But we got carried away thinking we were doing the right thing. Then we were dragging others into our mistakes.
If you want, don't listen to us. But at least learn from us.
What I'm doing is totally different. What I'm doing will...
not end well.
Earth, I know you want things to go back to how they were, but...
We're having a meeting. Planets and moons.
The sun won't allow it.
Don't worry. One representative of each side. It'll be short.
And what makes you think I want to play along with whatever it is you're scheming?
Because the representative of the planet side will be Uranus. missing the point.
I'm sorry, girl, but that's not gonna cut it. If you want, don't listen to us. But at least learn from us. We want to be moons again. We want to orbit Uranus.
Titania?
Oh, hey, Uranus or Salus or however you want to be called now.
Uranus is fine.
So, what's this supposed to be?
I guess a chance for us to talk?
Let's not kid ourselves. We're only here because I'm in a leadership position and you need something from me.
No. I'm here because I've undermined you and my other moons for far too long.
Don't! The last thing I want to hear now is I'm sorry.
We are very much alike, Titania.
That's somehow even worse!
It didn't click until now, but you and I, we haven't felt safe a single day of our lives. We're constantly anxious and nervous about what others will say or do to us. Everything is a threat.
Of course I feel nervous when a giant planet, my planet, jokes about pulverizing us to make new rings!
You know why I said those things? It's because I desperately want to feel good about myself, mate. And that took so much space in my head, I didn't notice how I made you and the others feel.
Well, you made us feel horrible, and it may be too late to fix things.
Maybe, but there's one thing I've noticed, and you have to know it.
What?
The things we do, they create cycles.
What do you mean?
The sun was afraid of losing planets, so he became a control freak. His need for control made Jupiter and Saturn stay on their toes for all their lives, so I always felt ignored or out of the loop from them. My obsession with feeling included and loved made me ignore how you all felt, which made you escape with the rest of the moons to feel safe. And now, this obsession with safety has placed everyone in grave danger, and you know it, but you can't help it.
So, everything is a domino effect?
Most of the time it is. It's like this big domino tower looping over and over until you make the choice to step out of the loop. I am trying to do that. It's hard, but from now on, I will stop trying to get everyone to love me and focus on those who really deserve my attention. My true friends and my moons.
What about me? How do I step out of the loop?
I can't answer that for you. Only you can.
Before I move on to my next suspect, I will address you! Yes, you there, the one watching this video. After months of research and safety tests, we finally have a sun plushie that will not burn your house to the ground. Apparently plasma and fire were not responsible materials or something. Anyways, they are available to pre-order now through the SolarBalls store. Will you get yours?
Is something moving? Or out of its orbit? What is going? Hold on! What? Who told you all to?
I did.
Titania? What on the galaxy's name are you doing?
I think it's time to move on and make things right. All of us.
Oh, so you've sided with the planets!
No, I'm simply stepping out of the loop.
I see. You want your old orbits back?
Yes!
You want me to forget everything and just give you your orbits back?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Oh, come.
Come
We
on!
said yes!
Yes!
We said yes! Just give us our orbits back.
Dude, hurry up! Okay. Okay. Okie dokie, amigos. Let's do it then. Let's go back to normal. Don't say I didn't warn you.
Thanks for watching! Oh, and the next episode is already on Patreon, so watch it a week early by joining. Also, consider checking out our SolarBalls store to get exclusive plushies and solar cards. Bye!